Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing video of my new HP Pavilion laptop which I purchased from Sam's Club during the tech saving event. The original price for this laptop is $799 but I got it just for $599. You all can check this deal at your local Sam's Club store or go online at samsclub.com. So let's start unboxing it.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline. Type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work? Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.